Watch out, these people are all old and crazy and I'm in charge. So cut! Now slow down and go easy. Keep going. Keep going. Now watch this. They're gonna be here.
I'm watching.
Easy, bro. They walk out of nowhere here. What?
So
I never imagined. I wrote in my diary last night, you're not gonna believe this. That cat I met at the Costco that knew Juan called and said, if you'd like to go tomorrow.
this is going to be so much fun.
I know.
So I was doing 7 miles an hour around the corner. I think they got me on radar. So there I was, minding my own business, getting my wife's tires changed at Costco, when this dude jumps up and he bounces over and he sits down next to me. He's like, I'm Tim Fagan. I'm like, hey, Tim Fagan, I'm Carl. I'm deaf. I'm like, cool. He's like, you speak fast, slow down. I'm like, all right, man, we're gonna be friends. So then me and Fagan sat there, we rapped for about easily a good 30 minutes or more, just talking about life and things. And we talked about things that we share in common, like we both share a love for aviation. And as we talked about that, we both got to this point where like, hey, do you do this backcountry off airport stuff, the stole drag stuff? I'm like, yeah. And then almost at the exact same time, we're like, Juan Brown, Blanco Liria. And we were both like, yeah, I know Juan Brown. And I'm like, yeah, I've done all kinds of different events with Juan. We've been to these different places and flown these different airplanes and made these different videos together. He's like, I grew up with Juan Brown. I haven't seen him for 15 plus years. And so from that point on, Tim and I, Fagan and I stayed in touch, and then I immediately started texting Juan Brown. I'm like, hey man, what's up with this? Is this legit? You know this guy? He's like, yeah, Fagan. I haven't seen Fagan for 15 years. I'm like, all right, man, let's make this happen.
Step on it. We got to get out of this joint.
Oh, 5 miles an hour.
Yes, it is.
You got it.
Lay rubber, Daddy, over here.
And then now 5 miles an hour, right?
Lots of elevator, and don't hit old Dave.
Hey, Navigator, you missed our turn back there.
Should I play music back there?
No, Navigator. You're the Navigator.
Okay, hold on. See, they're completely shut off right now.
Got it.
So I'm really deaf.
Yep.
Most of the time I'm extremely deaf, but right now it's lights out.
I was telling my wife about this, and I told her I'm really just glad to be able to be the connection material in the middle, because it tickles me.
Yeah,
it does, because
well, don't you see what a facilitation you're doing? That our colors are all drying up now.
Yeah. But no, so I looked at it and I had all the pieces in my hands.
You do.
It was easy for me to do it. I'm like, click, click, click. Yep.
And just
and
like
now
that.
And so one of my favorite parts is the fact that you get to see Juan Brown for the first time in years.
20 years.
20.
You're not going to believe this. This guy Carl, out of nowhere. I mean, here we are in a tire shop. Carl, do you see what you just did for me?
Call Juan Brown.
Calling Juan Brown.
Juan Brown. Did you hear that?
No. I'm deaf.
I know.
Terrible disadvantage. Most sure.
Hey, Juan Brown, Carl Costas, and Fagan.
Boom.
Hey,
Step
what's
on
going
it.
on?
Through. Hurry on.
Yep. Into the gate. We're gonna come down
Okay,
to your
now
spot.
slow way down.
Do you hear Fagan?
Okay.
You want to go
Yeah, I
the
can hear
speed
him.
with
Yeah,
which
yeah, I'm
you
right
can
here.
walk.
Are you at your?
Yeah.
You're at your
All right,
hangar?
stay here.
Yeah. All right. Bye. There he is.
What's going on?
Right there.
Oh, that's Juan.
It is.
Give me a hug, you old fart. How about it? Protect your hearing.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? You want to go in the Husky? You want to go?
I was thinking we could go in the Husky, in the Cub, and then go over to where he used to live.
This is pretty cool, Juan.
Oh, you gonna dig this, man.
Well, the kid's getting his kicks already.
Yeah, baby.
I think so.
Look out!
In the sun, in the morning sun, in the shape of your eyes so wide, in the taste of your kiss, in the pendulum swing, in the loving that spins my mind. I feel alive, yeah. Feel alive on the top of your toes, on the tip of my nose, in the dress that you wore last night, in my messy bed with your pitiful hands, and the naked cries we fired. I feel alive.
Nevada County traffic, Husky November 4, Quebec Romeo's over in Nevada City at 4,100 feet southbound in Nevada County. Head towards Grass Valley. Right to you.
Dude, this is getting me off.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Pretty cool up here today.
To be old
Nevada County traffic, Husky November 4, Quebec Romeo's over downtown Grass Valley, 4,100 feet southbound. Flight of 2.
carrying you
Megan had a real big time.
That will be a brand ambassador with
I miss flying, Deb.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Thank you for taking me flying. Fagan saying his old buddy took him flying because he knew he needed some medicine.
That's right.
Thanks, pal.
Yeah, just like
I got a
the old days.
big hit of medicine, boys and girls.
Nice to meet you.
Tim.
Yeah, Tim, gotcha. Different vitamins and minerals in it.
Uh-huh.
And
Who's this?
her name is Roxy.
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 That was my wife's name. She died a year
Really?
ago next week.
Well,
How do you spell it?
R-O-X-Y.
Hi, Rox. How you do weird?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Roxy. Hey, that's pretty cool. Shoot from up above.
All right.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
So that's how it happened. That's how it went down. That's how we got Tim Fagan and Juan Brown in the air in a flight of 2 flying around Northern California around the foothills of Grass Valley in Nevada City. And I really do believe that anybody else who was presented with the same opportunities would connect those same dots in that same way. I really do feel that way. So that's just how I approach things, and I really do hope to be able to continue to learn and to continue to grow and to continue to be curious. Those are my goals. That's my business plan. If you ask me to create a business plan, it's like that. So that is all that I have for you for the time being. So until the next adventure, do me a favor, be good to each other, and be well.
Horseshit, I want to stay at the airport.
I know, huh?
Boy, oh boy, Carl.
Fun, huh?
You did me good, Daddy-o.
I am so glad, man.
Oh,
So
man.
glad. It makes me happy.
I'm a great backseat driver, by the way, if you need help.
I hadn't noticed.
Yeah.
Husky November 4, Quebec Romeo, depart 25, left downwind departure, Nevada County.